How to set up Hey Google on your Android phone. Now in order to set up Hey Google on Android phone, you just simply need to open your Google app and after that go to your profile option. And after going in here, tap to the settings option from this section and then select Google Assistant from this page. Tap to Google Assistant and then tap to voice match under popular settings. Now in voice match, you will directly see this option of Hey Google. Just simply enable this toggle for Hey Google in order to activate it. Now it will take a short amount of time to process, then scroll down and tap to I agree. Again scroll down and tap to I agree, and after this you just simply need to repeat whatever I do in this section and your Hey Google will be activated in your Android phone. Now this is how you complete the process by saying whatever is written on the screen, and then you need to tap to next button after that and your Hey Google will be activated in your Android after doing this very easy step.